Alright guys, we're fixing to go on for a weather update on Facebook.
Hey Ryan, do you want to rise? Hold on, Caleb, let me go get my card. It's the same as yours. Alright, Ryan, follow me!
Alright.
Do not bring my free cards, Claire.
Alright, we got the screen share going. Start screen share. Hope you guys can see what's on the screen. Yes, you guys can.
Because me and Caleb are gonna race. Really? I'm just gonna go there and watch you.
Let's get to the cold part of our forecast, though. From Martin, Tennessee, down to Jackson, Memphis. Look at all of these winter weather alerts. The red or purple, that is a ice storm warning. That's where we're going to see some pretty big amounts of accumulation of ice.
Oh my god.
Bring down trees, and that could bring damage to your trees, even power lines. So I'm prepared for power outages across these areas. But also from Jackson to Memphis, you are going to be seeing some of that winter weather.
Right, Caleb, you upgraded your engine. I can't beat you now.
I'm going to see some clouds filter through the area.
Because you upgrade your engine, you make it more
and then we continue to see this moisture spread across our region Thursday, and still some rain for Atlanta as we get into the second half of the work week. But overnight temperature starting your Wednesday at 38 in Johnson City.
Hold on a minute, we're trying to get Facebook going.
But I'm on the track.
In the 60s and 70s, but Norfolk will get 43 Johnson City. Going to see 58 for you and 47 in Nashville. For Memphis, though, temperatures are going to continue to go down as we get into the end of the week. And then
not on the track.
So enjoy the weather.
Okay, why is that on my screen? There it is.
That's not the way there.
Thank you for being here. Jackson, Hattiesburg, and Mobile. Lots of chances for isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms into Wednesday and even in Thursday. And then you see that transition with cold air. It's freezing rain is in the parts of Arkansas.
Alright, here we go.
Remember, the first to go 2 laps.
Oh, okay. 10:18 p.m. weather
You're not on this.
update. The ice storm warning.
You go the way that me and Dijon usually go.
All right, here we go. Let's give people time to jump on here.
This way?
Got school delays up. Let me get the Facebook going and stuff. Oh, we got YouTubers on. Awesome. YouTube's on. We got Facebook going right now. So if you guys want to see the radar, so if you guys want to see a good view of the radar, you guys, I'm gonna share the link out to my Facebook people really quick. So Facebook people, y'all should be getting the videos
Come on.
like right now here in just a few minutes.
Oh, man. Right here.
So some of y'all should have gotten the Facebook thing, Facebook Live thing, right about now.
Crap.
I don't know, but that's a little too loud. Weather Channel had it on. I was listening to the ice storm. First thing I want to go over is that we got school delays out, and we're going to go over the school delays that's out. Belmont Christian Academy closed Wednesday. Breckenridge Grayson Head Start and Early Head Start closed Wednesday. Breckenridge County Schools is closed tomorrow, virtual learning only. Edmondson County Schools closed Wednesday. NTI Day 3. First Baptist Preschool and Kindergarten in Litchfield closed Wednesday. Grayson County Schools closed Wednesday. Moved to NTI and virtual learning. LaRue County Schools virtual learning for Wednesday only. Metcalfe County Schools, Metcalfe County Child Development Center virtual learning for Wednesday only. Metcalfe County Schools virtual learning only. Oak Ridge Christians Academy closed Wednesday. Ohio County Schools closed Wednesday. And St. John Thrift Stores in Brownsville closed Wednesday. That's closing and businesses delays. We're going to go to 3 weather alerts that's in effect right now. We're going to go to the weather alerts that's in effect right now. So if you guys are watching on YouTube, y'all, if y'all want a better look, y'all need to go and get on the Facebook thing right now if y'all want to see the radar.
Hey, I won. I said this was the finish line. Yeah, because you.
So let me forward the thing.
You moved me off the road. You only did that because I told you to. Thank you for closing my door.
I know we got people watching from YouTube, so if you're watching on YouTube, you need to get on Facebook if you want a better view of the radar.
With our cars or other cars?
The ice. We have an ice storm warning that goes in effect starting at midnight tonight through 1 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. Ice storm warning in effect for Allen, for Adair, for the counties in Kentucky: Adair, Allen, Adair, Allen, Barron, Breckenridge, Butler, Clinton, Cumberland, Edmondson, Grayson, Greene, Hardin, Hart, LaRue, Logan,
We're gonna have a demolition
Metcalf,
derby.
Monroe, Ohio, Russell, Simpson,
And you're gonna
Taylor,
beat them as well.
and Warren for our area. And then we got by the National Weather Service in Louisville. National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a ice storm warning for the counties in Kentucky: Christian, Hopkins, McLean, Muhlenberg, and Todd counties. And then we got a special weather statement out for Tennessee counties, which includes the counties of Davidson, Macon, Robertson, Sumner, and yeah.
Oh, you get a car, alright? That's not yours.
Those are the 3 weather alerts that's in effect. We're going to go to the radar really quick and show you guys
It's gonna get destroyed.
what we're looking at on interactive radar.
We're gonna get cars and we're gonna try to destroy
Where's it
each
at?
other's
The
cars.
radar. Interactive radar.
We're gonna get you. Look at me.
We're gonna get them out. I've got 2 weather pages pulled up. I've got the WBKO one, and I've also got the National Weather Service one up, which, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I've got both of the weather maps pulled up.
Did we legit
Here
get
in
the
just a
same color?
minute.
The same color?
It's just loading in right now, so give it a minute. We're going to we got radar, rain and snow.
Dude.
Current conditions, temperature plots.
She doesn't want to. Because she wants to use her actual card.
I'm not using my actual car now. I wanted to come up my freaking design my car. Want to know what it is? And Taylor.
She wants to know
Hold
where
on a
Benny's
minute,
is.
y'all. Trying to get it fixed here.
She wants to know where Benny's is.
Screen this. Don't know if you guys can see that. Can y'all see the full screen? Now let me monitor the. Let me pull up the Facebook so that way it's working.
Thank you.
Crap, I already wrecked.
Let me see if anyone is on the screen, if anyone can see the screen. Yeah, I think they can see the screen. Also, if y'all haven't friended the weather page on Facebook, it's Tornado Boy Vloggers. You need to add it really quick. I got the comments up. Thanks to y'all can see it. But this purple right here is the ice storm warning that's in effect for a majority of Kentucky. And, okay, we got people watching now. But this purple area, almost the majority of the state of Kentucky is in an ice storm warning. You go up to north around Louisville where it's like 30 degrees. You know what's funny? I want to point this out. The areas that's in the ice storm warning is got temperatures above freezing. But areas that's not in the ice storm warning has temperatures below freezing.
Dang it!
We're gonna put this in play really quick. Hang on, I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna pull up road weather and see what the road weather looks like. Okay, there's no radar. I want to.
Crap, I hit the wrong button.
But yeah, there's. See, look, it's 38 and down in Bowling Green, 36 Glasgow, 29 at Fort Knox, 30 degrees up in Louisville, 28 Evansville. The north you go, the more colder it gets because you go up towards Cincinnati. I'm going to pull up the road weather for up those areas, even though those are way up. We're going to pull up the road temperatures very quick.
Tires? A tire's a tire.
Hang on, it's loading and give it a minute. Yeah, there's Cincinnati already had ice from the freezing rain. I want to. I'm gonna take off the. I'm gonna take off the winter weather box for a minute, and then I'm gonna pull up the radar. We're gonna go from road weather to precipitation. Okay, we got a little bit of rain just coming into southern Kentucky, down around the Hopkinsville. Let's zoom in on Hopkinsville. Yeah, there's a little bit of yeah, we got some freezing rain and ice starting to pop up down around the Cadiz, Kentucky area, Hopkinsville, Kentucky, down across Christian County and Trigg County. 32 degrees down there in Hopkinsville. Let's see.
I keep on hitting the wrong
See over
button.
back toward Benton, Kentucky. I'm gonna pull up the road weather for those areas down that way. Yeah, there's a bit of a,
I can't even turn properly.
yeah, there's a little bit of, yeah, we got slick roads starting to pop up down around Hopkinsville. Let's see what the feel like temperature is across the air, across down that way. Ooh.
Taste it wrong.
Ooh, it's got the, ooh, I don't like that. Okay, let's check the wind speed because
Taste it
you
wrong.
gotta have ice and wind and snow to take down power lines and stuff. Okay, there's not any wind chill, so we're gonna go back to the radar. But yeah, there's where the snow is. There's a little bit of rain across Logan County, Todd County. Nothing here in Litchfield for right now. We're gonna put the winter weather. We'll put the winter weather box back up. Yeah, we'll focus that out. Pull that out. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the hourly forecast.
You might want to move.
I'm going to show you guys the hourly forecast of what it looks like. Okay, at 11 p.m. it's going to be cloudy. We don't get no snow showers until about 1 a.m. and it's 37 degrees. But then 2 a.m. 35 degrees snow showers. 3 a.m. 35 degrees snow showers. 4 a.m. just plain snow with 35 degrees. And then 5 a.m. we got rain and snow mix at 5 a.m. 35 degrees with rain showers at 35. 10 a.m. 36 degrees with rain showers. Okay, maybe it won't be as bad tonight as what they're predicting.
Wookie, I'm gonna start some movie.
We're going to
Blue cheese. Swimming with the blue cheese.
I'm going to show you guys the current temperatures right now. It's 32 in Litchfield, 35 Mumfordville, 36 Glasgow, 37 Bowling Green, 31 in Greenville, 30 in Calhoun, and 36 in Edmonton.
Oh!
Okay, before we get to the 7-day forecast, pop up the radar one more time.
I'm moving now. Hold up.
We're going to go to the National Weather Service office in Louisville's page. I'm going to show you guys. Here's the winter storm timing. Hopefully you guys can see the timing of this winter storm stuff. Let me click on it really quick. Here's the winter storm timing.
What can I pay? What can I buy with that?
I don't know. I kind of want to get up to.
Okay, someone just asked on YouTube, do they? I guess is asked if they need to reschedule their appointment if the roads are slick. Hold on, let me check that. Let me check that YouTube comment really quick. It's best if I reschedule. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's just gonna be all rain tomorrow morning. It depends what time your appointment is. All right, let's get back to the weather really quick. Tonight, the winter storm timing tonight after midnight. It says winter remix across southern Indiana, central Kentucky. Ice accumulations generally to 1/10 of an inch. Wednesday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tomorrow, winter mix across southern Indiana and north central Kentucky. Ice accumulations generally to less than 1/15 of an inch. North of Cumberland Parkway, mainly rain across south of Cumberland Parkway. And then Wednesday night, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. on Thursday, tomorrow night. Winter mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Ice accumulations to 1/10 of an inch through less than 1/25 of an inch. Heaviest between Western Kentucky and Bluegrass Parkways and Cumberland Parkways. Around 1 inch of snow and sleet accumulations mainly north of Bluegrass Parkway. And then Thursday, 7 a.m. through midnight, winter mix and snow in from northwest to the southeast by Thursday night. Ice accumulations between 1/10 of an inch to 1/25 of an inch across central Kentucky. Another 1 to 2 inches of snow north of Bluegrass Parkways. We're going to show you guys. Here's the total ice accumulation forecast that the National Weather Service in Louisville put up. The snow accumulation is in the medium category. Ice accumulation is in the high category for tomorrow. And also winter storm impact is also in the high category for tomorrow. Winter storm impacts means you could see tree limbs down. You could see a few tree limbs down, maybe a couple power lines snapped or laying on the roads. But I doubt that's going to happen tomorrow. If anything like that's going to happen, it's going to be either overnight Wednesday and early Thursday morning is my prediction. And then we're going to pull up the wintry mix potential for, the wintry mix potential. It shows red from areas along the Western Kentucky Parkways and Bluegrass Parkways. I-65, just a little south of E-Town, is in the greatest potential, all the way down to the Kentucky-Tennessee line. So you're in the red if you're from Bowling Green on up to 65 to E-Town. But everybody along the Bluegrass and the Western Kentucky Parkways is in the greatest potential chance of winter storm for tomorrow and Thursday. I will go live as much as I can tomorrow. If the road conditions change or temperature levels go down or temperatures go down, I will, and you know how we do severe weather, like if there's tornado warnings or severe thunderstorm warnings, we come on Facebook Live and YouTube. Well, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. So, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do for tomorrow. If we see that snow, like temperatures go down because of snow and ice accumulation or road conditions get bad, we will hop on and we'll leave the radar on for a little while and watch what's going on for a little while. Yeah. But the greatest chance of snow and ice is areas along the Western Kentucky and Bluegrass Parkways, along Interstate 65 south of E-Town, all the way down to the Kentucky-Tennessee line, and along and north of Cumberland Parkway. So pretty much we're gonna look at the I'm gonna show you guys the weather map from the National Weather Service forecast charts out of Louisville. See, look, there's this little here's what it's showing on the National Weather Service radar chart. It's showing that the greatest This better be an anomaly, because if it has bumped back again, this is going to be an issue. Because they've got the greatest potential for ice and snow, stretching from Oklahoma all the way to western Kentucky and northwestern Tennessee. But here's what they don't know. Earlier when I popped this up, the whole state of Kentucky was in purple. They've got western parts of Kentucky all the way up to the Ohio River, northwestern and western Kentucky in the purple, and the rest of Kentucky's in blue. But the ice storm warning that's in effect stretches all the way from Kentucky all the way down to Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, and parts of Tennessee. This is how big this ice storm is. It stretches all the way down to Oklahoma. And this is a humongous ice storm. I mean, ice storm warning, I should say, the polygon that stretches from a few states over. This blue area is the winter storm warning. This is tomorrow's forecast. Hold on, is this today's forecast or is this tomorrow's? That's today's. Here's tomorrow's I'm looking at. We're looking at tomorrow's forecast. This is what it looks like for tomorrow. Ice storm warning could take over the rest of Kentucky. Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia, Southern Ohio, Southern Indiana. See, here's what it looks like for tomorrow. This is just a lot of ice, freezing rain possible. We're going to look at day 3. Here's what it looks like for Thursday. We're going to look at Thursday. Here's what it looks like Thursday. Still, okay, the ice clears for Oklahoma. Here's what it looks like for Thursday with the ice and stuff coming over. Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Illinois. This is what it looks like for those. And yeah, that's what basically so
Are you getting the Cuddle Kings?
okay, we're gonna see if anyone's got any comments or questions, as well as Facebook and YouTube. Let's check those really quick.
Say that in the video.
Is that at like 9:30 a.m.? Let me check for the let me check. Someone just asked if will it be here at 9:30 a.m. Let me check the let me check.
What?
Let me pull up the radar to see if it's like. I'm going to pull up the radar and see if it's at 9:30 a.m. See what it's looking like for 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. Someone asked if it's going to be around 9:30 a.m. I am checking it right now. Gotta get the radar pulled up, so give me a minute. Full screen this. Close. Let me put it in play and see what it looks like at 9:30 a.m. Okay, I put up the wrong thing. They wouldn't tell me on the radar if what's going to be looking like at 9:30 a.m. Let me go back to the hourly really quick and see what it looks like around the 9:30 a.m. and 10 o'clock time frame. Let me, yeah. Well, at 9 o'clock a.m. all the way to 9 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m., it's going to be like 35 degrees. It's going to be 35 degrees with rain showers, so you might be good. You might be good to make the appointment if you have an appointment. 35 degrees with rain showers at 9 a.m. and 36 degrees with rain showers at 10 a.m. So I would say go ahead and do your appointment. I would say anything after lunchtime would not be a good time. Hold
What do you
on.
need help for?
I don't know how to put in the Discord thing.
I don't either. Just do it whenever you can help with that.
I can't. I don't have enough for my V-Bucks.
Let's see. But this is what it looks like around for tomorrow.
Being a gift card, like,
Okay, are you talking about 9:30? Are you talking about 9:30 Central Time or 9:30 Eastern Time? But here's what it looks like right now on the today. See, it just has the purple across the Western Kentucky. But when you go to tomorrow's, you have this, and then Thursday. Gotta wait for them to reply to this comment. Whoa! What the crap? I hit the wrong button. Central. Well, E-Town is an hour ahead, so it would be E-Town's Eastern Time, so that would be more like 8:30 our time in Litchfield Central Time. Yeah, so we're gonna show you guys a 7-day forecast. Now it is a weather alert day for Wednesday and Thursday. I mean for Wednesday, Thursday, and Thursday. Wednesday is gonna be a high of 38 degrees, low of 29 with rain and snow showers, 80% chance of precipitation. Thursday a high of 32 degrees, low of 23, and winds north at 10 miles an hour with rain and snow, 100% chance of precipitation. And then Friday it's going to be a high of 35 degrees, low of 19, with mostly cloudy skies, 0% precipitation. And Saturday, 20% chance of 20% chance of precipitation with just cold rain, cold at 32 degrees, low of 12 degrees. And then Sunday for Valentine's Day, high of 24 degrees, low of 8 degrees. And then Monday, high of 28 degrees, low of 19 degrees. For President's Day, which is George Washington's Day. And then Tuesday for next week, a high of 33 degrees, 40% chance of rain and snow showers. See if
why isn't it allowing me to buy it? Like, why the frick is it not, like, why is it not working? It says I already used this code already.
yeah, you don't want to go anywhere on Thursday. I'll tell you guys that.
I just sent you a TikTok. That's correct.
Stop, I'm going to get copyrighted. Turn that down, I'm going to get copyrighted.
That's Aurelia talking.
Why is it not freaking working? Can I take a minute, please?
No. Because I don't
Has
know.
performed with the band
I don't know how to
in
do that.
Clarkson. Yeah, you don't need to do anything on Thursday.
Ask Caleb.
Dad will tell you.
Dad, just wait.
Just wait till tomorrow.
No, this can't be gone
I'm gonna
tomorrow.
reply back to this comment really quick.
No, it won't. It won't be gone till 6 tomorrow.
Ask Caleb.
It won't be gone till 6 tomorrow.
No, Frank, let's go on it now.
Well, I don't know how to get it to work.
Got 3
Just
people
say
watching
yes.
right now.
Ask Caleb.
But we're
How
gonna show
many
you.
money
But
under
before,
Xbox gift card?
but
have you
before we
spent?
go, I'm gonna show you guys
I don't know.
what it
$9
looks like,
on it.
the timing of when of the press is one more time.
Redeemed once.
Yeah, you can't redeem it again if it's already been redeemed.
It has $9 left on it. What am I supposed to do with that?
Yeah, we're gonna pull this up. I'm gonna pull it up one more time. Let me get it pulled up really quick.
I don't have to buy what I want.
I'm gonna share this.
I wanted Stoneheart.
It'll come back.
Yeah, but I probably won't have V-Bucks then.
But here's what it looks like for. We're gonna go over to winter storm timing again before we end this video. Let me pull it up. So tonight after midnight, just wintry mix across southern Indiana and northern Kentucky. Ice accumulations to 1/10 of an inch. Wednesday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wintry mix across southern Indiana and central Kentucky. Ice accumulations generally to 1/15 of an inch north of Cumberland Parkway. Mainly rain south of Cumberland Parkways. Wednesday night, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. on Thursday. Wintry mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Ice accumulations to 1/10 of an inch to 25th of an inch. Heaviest between Western Kentucky Parkways and Bluegrass Parkways and Cumberland Parkways. Around one inch of snow and sleet accumulations mainly north of Bluegrass Parkways. Thursday, 7 a.m. through midnight. Wintry mix of snow in from northwest to southeast by Thursday night. Ice accumulations went between 1/10 of an inch, 25th of an inch across central Kentucky. Another 1 to 2 inches of snow north of Bluegrass Parkways. I'm going to pull up the total ice accumulation. Here's total ice accumulation where the red is where we got the most accumulation at. But yeah, here's the greatest chance of snow and ice. The greatest chance of snow and ice is along the Western Kentucky and Bluegrass Parkways, across the Bluegrass Parkways, and then I-65 has got the greatest chance of snow for areas along I-65 south of E-Town, all the way down to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, down around Bowling Green and Franklin areas. And you got red, but then you got darker red across along the Cumberland Parkway near Somerset and the Beera, am I saying that correct? Beera, Kentucky area. I feel like I'm not saying that correct because I'm not from that part of Kentucky. I think it's Beara or Beara. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm in the middle of a freaking match. Since Brent didn't want to give me the damn 2 minutes, so.
Okay, guys. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna close off the live stream for YouTube. So everyone that's watching on YouTube, y'all need to make your way to Facebook because I'm gonna mute my mic. I'm gonna leave the radar on, but I'm gonna turn off my microphone where you guys can't hear anything. So if you guys are watching on YouTube, y'all need to make your way to Facebook. If y'all are not friends with Tornado Boy Vloggers on Facebook, you need to do that right now. Add the account as a friend, and then I will accept it here in just a little bit. We're going to end YouTube. We're going to go ahead and end YouTube right now.